my project name is called the alarm system. So what it does
So to do the
is
maze.
it's an ultrasonic sensor and it senses how far you are. So if you're like above 80 centimeters, the green light will flash. If you're below 80 centimeters and above 50 centimeters, it will flash yellow. And if it's below 50, it will flash.
Can you talk loudly so I can hear?
And then once the red light is flashing, the alarm will go on. And then when the alarm is on, you can press the button, and then it will stop the program, and all three lights will flash 5 times. For the hardware, I had to use tons of wires, 3 LED lights, 1 ultrasonic sensor, 1 alarm, 1 button, a few resistors, and a
Okay,
and
can you come here?
for the program, I first did the imports, and then this part was the kind of delay for making it faster. This part is for the
Let's start with you.
Yeah. The part highlighted is for the ultrasonic sensor.
I'm going to use this family bot because the family bot is easy. That's not gonna be on your.
This highlight part is for the LED lights, so it's for it to flash and stuff like that.
Family bot is easy.
And this part is for the button. Yeah. For the testing, when stuff didn't go right, I first checked out the hardware. Like a lot of times, the wires are plugged into the wrong pin, and yeah. And then and if that didn't do it, I checked out the software. And if I saw something incorrect, and I fixed it. For resync, I think I might have to make it a little bit faster, and the buttons work without the numbers showing up. So here's the demo. So as you can see, it's really slow. We can redo it. And you have to press the button when you
Okay, so I would like you to do
Thank you for listening. Any questions?
three memory chassis, okay? So with three chassis, that's basic chassis, okay?
No questions?
Okay, so.
Congrats.
What was the hardest part of the project?
The hardest part of the project was the hardware, but all the wires.
EVD. Yeah, we can do that.